tire, bruh. That clean, dirty. How's the hardware look?
I like it.
Doesn't look like it's been used. Technically, I don't know, man.
Too much.
He says it was
It's
brand
still
new.
brand new.
Yeah, it looks
Silver
new
on
to
the
me.
So that was inside my car, but
Dang. So I'm pretty sure it'll fit, you know.
Yeah.
It looks brand new. I'm not. Don't you
No,
think?
yeah,
Yeah. I mean, if it was old, then it'd have a bunch of black stuff and whatnot. So I'm not
yeah.
tripping.
Yeah, I'll probably pull it in because, like, right on the edge.
Probably shouldn't rev it, right?
It'll get hot.
Huh?
Did you hear it, Dad? I want him to hear it. Did you hear it when he pulled up? All right, just like start it and then. A little bit. Why not? All right, you hear it? Okay. Let's go. Nah, that's good.
No, he did
I said
it.
all in one sentence though, so probably.
You said don't. Oh wait, no, you gotta lower that piece, bro. I mean, I can ask my dad.
It's fine. You can do it.
Wait.
Oh, just the. Wait, where's it at?
Where are the bricks? All right, guys. Cameron, would you like to explain what we did? Go on, CATLESS, boys.
We just took off the H.
We just going CATLESS, boys.
Now we're gonna take off the downpipes for some reason for this thing.
Like, it's a different setup. Like, oh yeah, wait, Cam. Will that fit?
Will it?
No, that's way too. That's way too long. That one's the same part as this, but that's way too long. So next step, we're gonna take out the down pipes, the lead pipes basically, and
Why is it so wide?
huh?
The back's hecka wide.
What? No, look at these. Me gusta, me gusta. What's up, guys? So I just got gas, full tank on the Termi here. But the X pipe has been installed, and like I said, I'm still getting used to the tone. Personally, not my type of thing, but you know, it's whatever. It is what it is, to be honest. I mean, I don't hate it and I don't love it. Like I said, the H pipe, personally, I'm probably gonna put the H pipe back on for this catback setup, only because it just sounds weird to me. It's too raspy with the muffler setup. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up the video. So to sum up everything, what happened was my X pipe, I had a BBK off-road X pipe, and you know, it sounded good, and I'm still planning on keeping it because in the future I will be putting it back on with a boiler attack system. It just does not sound good with my catback right now, which is a MagnaFlow. So I'm not willing to spend $700, $800 on the attack system yet because I still need to buy a clutch. So it's always maintenance before performance. So the clutch will be coming next. I'm thinking about getting a McLeod twin disc stage 2, and exhaust sounds really good now. I should have just left it as is. I did want to see what it sounded like, but the H pipe does sound really good. And so I'm going to leave that for now. It's very loud. It pops, crackles, sounds really good. So I'm going to just leave it for now. But until then, the clutch will be coming next. And then if I make some extra money, then I'll be getting the attacks and putting the X pipe back on. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed watching this, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.